Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Yaks, and this is episode 175 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He reads the questions, he answers the questions. We read all the questions and answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you on the Carnival Conquest in the piano bar. So on today's episode, we're talking about chartered cruises. Do they count toward my sea days? Does the Carnival Spirit have heat in its rooms? Why can't we bring back those cute little chocolates on the pillows? Do the Encounter and the Adventure have the Dr Seuss breakfast? And I ordered a bottle of liquor to my room, but I didn't finish it. Now what?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser is going on a specialty cruise, a summer warship night cruise on the Freedom, and wanted to know if the days counted toward the normal Carnival Status days and nights. John said if it is a charter ship, you don't get your normal points for that. That's kind of interesting. I kind of figured if you were on a boat, you would get the points, but then again, it's not a Carnival ship at that point in time. It's a Carnival ship, but it's chartered by a different company altogether. So you don't. Not like it's going to matter soon anyway, unless they fix something. Question two. This cruiser read that the Carnival Spirit does not have heat available in the staterooms and only has AC. They're booked on this cruise and wondered if this was true. It's because it is sailing to Alaska, by the way, is why they're asking this question. John said you can turn the air down, but there is no actual heat in the cabins. He did say if you get chilly, you could absolutely ask your stateroom attendant, room steward, whatever they're called, for extra blankets. Liz and I are going on an Alaska cruise next year. I believe it's actually on the Spirit, so good to know. But I would imagine with all the electronics and stuff in there, it's probably not going to be all that cold in the room. If you've been on the Spirit, leave a comment below. Let people know if it's cold and if we need to order extra blankets. All right, question three. This cruiser wants Carnival to bring back the little chocolates that they used to put on the pillows every night. John said he didn't think they would ever do that again. Back in the day, and if I had to guess, it's got to be 10 years maybe since they stopped doing the chocolates. It cost them $2 million a year for the little chocolates, and they were just left in a pile in the room anyway. Or, like me and Liz did, we would go out, have a few drinks, go back, lie down, and wake up, and it looks like we slept in a pile of poop because we would just fall asleep on the little things, and they would melt overnight, and I can't imagine what the room steward with things walking in going, ah, but they probably saw it everywhere. So if you like the little chocolates, they're not coming back. Bring your own. They still make Andy's candies. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. On to question four. This cruiser wanted to know if the ships in Australia, the Encounter and the Adventure, have the Dr. Seuss breakfast. John said, absolutely. And apparently it's quite popular because we see it all the time on people are asking them, the Dr. Seuss, the thing, one thing, two breakfast is sold out. How do I get a ticket? How do I get a ticket? So if you like doing stuff like that, you definitely want to book it way ahead of time because the Dr. Seuss breakfast sells out all the time. All right, last question. This cruiser is going on a 7-day cruise and they're ordering themselves a bottle of liquor to the room. They're wondering if they didn't finish the entire bottle for on the cruise, can they take it back home with them? John said, no, you have to drink the whole thing. So on the last night, just chug it. Kidding, he did not say that. John said, yes, absolutely, yes, you can. And we've done that ourselves where we'll order a bottle and, we don't finish the whole thing. We'll cork it, screw it, do whatever we got to do to make sure it's nice and secure because it's going in your luggage and they don't handle the luggage lightly. Yes, you can take it back. Just make sure it is sealed for your own good. Anyway, that's been episode 175 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.